and the signing off of the bill that was done this morning into law establishing the IEBC. We have subsequently had consultations, and we have agreed that to bring the country together for the purposes of working on the issues that are of priority to the people of Kenya. We will move ahead with the multi-sectoral forum, and we have agreed that a membership of 150 representatives of various stakeholders, 50 of whom shall be young people of Kenya. The other 100 will be representatives of all the other sectors, the religious community, civil society, professional groups, political parties. This forum will begin on Monday next week and end on Saturday next week. It will be a 6-day forum and will propose the way forward for the country. In the interest of making sure that we live within our means, all participants will bear their cost of attendance. This is the result of the consultations we've gone through this morning, and we look forward to beginning the forum on Monday next week. The various stakeholders will be required to submit their representatives by Friday this week. Thank you very much. I will ask former PM to.
Do I say